Hello my friends, and welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're taking a look at VEVOR's. This is a single phase induction motor. Comes with the little user manual. And this is a great replacement motor. We're going to go ahead and take it out of the box and then show you guys what it looks like. Alright my friends, this is what it looks like. Now, this one, 5 horsepower. You can get higher horsepower ones on the Amazon listing, so you can select your different option. You guys probably have already seen that, but this is what it looks like. Now it does have a little bit of weight to it, but it's not too bad. I like how everything is capped off and protected. You have your reset button on the back here as well. But only do this after the motor cools. Only reset it once the motor cools. You can easily mount it. What I like about this one is not all of them come with a mounting bracket. This one already comes with the mounting bracket connected, so you don't have to deal with that nightmare. Some guys and girls like to see under the caps, so we'll go ahead and take the cap off for you guys. That way you get an idea underneath it. I love how they make it easy access. It's 2 screws to pop off the cap. Just remember that the longer screw is going to be on the bottom. So here you guys can see inside. This is inside the cap. And that just protects it. So some guys like to see that. It's 2 single, well, not single, but 2 wires. A white and black wire for those who are curious. But I like that it's easy access if you ever have to replace it. For some more specs, give me a moment, guys. I'll go over some specs for you guys. Give me just a couple seconds. All right, guys. So for those who are wondering, the bearings are pre-lubricated, so there's no further lubrication that is needed. Type CM 5 horsepower, HZ 60 volt, 230 volts, PH1, RPM 3,450. FLA 22.0A, ENC, ODP, FR, which is frequency 56 Hz, INS, F, SF, negative 1.0, unless it's just a slash, then it's 1.0, IP, negative 23, or just a slash 23, DES, AMB, minus 40 Celsius, code L, duty. Thanks for watching, my friends.